In Europe, they're struggling to keep their small farms viable, and what they do is they rent out rooms to make ends meet. And in Italy, a working farm gets the privilege of calling itself an agriturismo. You can't call yourself an agriturismo unless you're actually making money as a working farm. So it's a way to help subsidize them, because it's really important, the bed and breakfast income that they enjoy. I've done a lot of research. It takes a lot of time to scour the countryside for these different agriturismo, and I'll tell you, when you find a good agriturismo, like Isabel's place here, it is just an amazing vacation. In the case of this bed and breakfast, you stay for a week. And every day is a cultural experience as she takes you truffle hunting, and then you make your pasta, and then you go to wineries, and every day is a delight. And when I research these places and see the tourists enjoying the swimming pool, enjoying the fine food, enjoying the rich culture, oh, I just think that's a great vacation in the countryside of Tuscany. And when I drop in on these farms, I find people, all of them have my book, but none of them knew each other before their visit. And it's one big happy family enjoying this delightful Italian cultural boot camp, okay?